Okay, so the raised garden bed I ordered didn't come with instructions, but it comes with 4 legs with 2 grooves and 2 holes at the top. And the boards slide down the grooves. And each end of the wood has grooves cut out of it also. The bottoms of the long sides have this extra piece of wood for a shelf. So I'm going to start by assembling the long slide, line up the grooves, tap it down in there on one side, then get the other leg on there. Since I don't have a rubber mallet, I'm going to use a hammer and that piece of wood to soften the blows. So tap that all the way down to the bottom. Do the same with the other side. Okay, now we can start with the side pieces. There are 2 wide ones like this one. One will go on the bottom and one will go on the top. In between will be a thin piece. So we get the wide one in, next is the thin piece. When that's all the way down, we'll put in the second wide piece. Okay, do the same with the other side. Okay, back to the long side. There is also a thin piece that goes in the middle. So tap that into place. And the last wide piece. Tap that all the way down. And do the same for the other long side. Okay, for the bottom, 2 pieces have corners cut out, and those go in the corners at the bottom. And the 2 other pieces go in between. And here's the last one with the notched corners. Then you can spread these pieces out a little bit. Then spread out the black tarp. And at the top of the posts, you got these 2 holes. I'm going to put a little bit of wood glue in there. And then attach the decorative post topper. Do the other 3 corners, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.